Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product insights, right when you need them. Today, we're looking at what many are calling the best electric safety can opener, the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. If you've been searching for a can opener that's not only functional but makes your life easier and safer, this one might just be the answer. Let's jump right in. Imagine you're in the middle of prepping dinner, your hands are wet or tired, and you still have to wrestle with a can of beans. Traditional openers are a hassle, especially if you struggle with arthritis or hand pain. That's where the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener steps in, a game changer in kitchen convenience. Here's how it works. Place it on top of any standard-sized can, press the button once, and let it do its magic. Now, let's talk about one of its most impressive features, the smooth edge cutting. Instead of leaving behind sharp, dangerous metal edges, the blade cuts along the side of the can. This leaves a safe, clean edge that won't cut your fingers or damage your spatula when scooping food out. It's a huge win for families, seniors, and frankly, anyone who doesn't want to risk a cut while cooking. This little device is battery operated, requiring 4 alkaline batteries. That means no cords cluttering your countertop and total freedom to take it anywhere. Whether you're cooking in a compact kitchen, heading out on a camping trip, or putting together meals in an RV, its portability makes it ideal. Ergonomically, it's built with comfort in mind. It's lightweight, fits nicely in your hand, and is very easy to operate even with limited grip strength. Seniors and arthritis sufferers will especially appreciate how much it removes the physical strain of opening cans. This can opener isn't just a tool, it's a thoughtful gift. Whether for an aging parent, a college student moving into their first apartment, or someone recovering from injury, the Kitchen Mama Can Opener offers both independence and safety in the kitchen. And of course, the design is fun and bold. The red color adds a splash of personality, and the compact shape means it easily tucks into a drawer or cabinet when not in use. So here's the bottom line. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener delivers exactly what it promises. Effortless, hands-free can opening with a strong focus on safety and ease of use. It simplifies cooking, protects your hands, and looks good doing it. It's no surprise this product is ranked number 1 in electric can openers on Amazon. That wraps up today's review. If you're interested in seeing more tools that make everyday tasks easier, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a critique. This has been Product Critique. See you in the next one.